Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Counselor Adufuli. I'm here to be of help to you. I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel. Invite your friend to be part and parcel of this family and to be a blessing to them. I'm going to take a look at 5 mistakes people make in the name of dating. 5 mistakes people make in the name of dating. 1. People don't know the difference between dating and courtship. And that most people don't understand even the word dating. It's strange enough that we have all sorts of people in all kinds of relationships which are not clearly defined what they're looking for, what they want. And they are under the cover that we are dating, which is not a fact. If you are going to date or you are dating somebody, what it means is you are studying a person for marriage. That's different from just going on a date. It could be a business date, it could be all sorts of dates. But in case we say we are dating, I mean we are studying ourselves for marriage. The purpose or the goal for that relationship is marriage. So I wanted to find out whether you are the right candidate to get married to or the right person to get married to. It also doesn't mean that you are my husband and wife. You are not my spouse. You are just a candidate. So some of the benefits that a husband or wife deserve, some of the role of a husband and a wife, you won't play such roles. I'm just telling you. So we are not going to be responsible for my needs. That's not the case here. I should be able to be in a better place. That I'm mature, I'm responsible, I'm taking care of myself before I get into relationship in the name of dating. I don't go there in the name of business that I need money. And the best way to get money is when I get into a relationship. I need to go to school. The best way to get to school is to get in a relationship. I can't control of my sex organ. And the best way to satisfy my sexual libido is to get into a relationship. No, it's not friendship with benefit. It's stealing somebody for marriage. And when we are done staying with the person for marriage, we realize that, look, I'm convinced this is the one I'm looking for. This is the spouse. This is who I want to get married to. Then you propose to the person. You propose marriage. Then the relationship is taken to different level. Then we are entered to what we call courtship, preparation towards marriage. In other culture, people kneel down in other various places with their flowers, with their rings. They propose, will you marry me? Yes, meaning they know enough. They be going out, and when you accept, they say they are engaged. Yes, because we are preparing towards marriage. We are candidates that we are preparing. So that place we are courting. We are preparing towards marriage. In our certain part of the world, in African part, some starts when the person has come to see your family to do knocking. After informing you, they take a step to come to the family to do knocking, take a list so they can start preparing towards the marriage. This is when the counseling staffs start. You are planning towards the wedding you want to have. That is just a ceremony for the marriage. And number 2 mistake people make in the name of dating is people don't know when to date. When to date. Look, you can't just date at any time. You date when you are ready for marriage. You can't say this man or woman is so handsome or so beautiful, so I wanted to date them now. When I'm ready for marriage one day, then I'll go for the person. Just like acquiring a property and put it down. When you're in need of the property, then you go for it. No, that's not what it is. So I have to be of a place of being ready, so that I will not go and put my burden, my responsibility on somebody else in the name of dating. When that happens, we're going to turn that relationship with something else. Guys are asking for sex, ladies are asking for money. Clearly, we are not married. You are not ready for marriage. And because you are dating me for some needs, when I give you A, B, C, D, I also expect that you do something in return, which is clearly like a business deal, which is not dating. So go into dating when you are ready for marriage. So you need to assess yourself, that where you are in life now, whether you are mature enough, you are responsible. When somebody is responsible, meaning you have the ability to respond to issues that comes in the marriage. That's what it means. So there are issues that comes in the marriage. Finances, you need to pay bill. You need to take care of the kids. Do you have what it takes to meet those needs? Are you working? Can you earn enough? These are the questions you're supposed to be asking yourself. You need to have a relationship with your creator, which is God. Do you have that good relationship with your creator to be able to relate to other people? If that is missing, there's going to be trouble. It's not about the feelings that I have strong feeling for a man or a woman. No, it's about I'm convinced that I'm ready, I'm responsible. My emotional needs, I can take care of them. My financial needs, I can take care of them. My psychological needs, I can take care of them. And spiritual needs, I can take care of them. Then you are ready to date somebody. Number 3, people don't know how long to date. How long do you date? We've heard people with stories that we have been dating for 10 years, 20 years. We have 2 kids, we have 3 kids. People start dating when they are schooling. They are done with their schooling. They are still dating. You are ready. And you know what you are looking for. 6 months should be minimum for you. Maximum a year or 2. When we start from day 1, as we are going out for a date, we are talking. I'm asking questions. I'm getting to know you. All the information, the data I'm getting, I'm analyzing them. And ask myself, is this what I'm looking for? Is it getting to the place I want? These questions will help you draw the conclusion that this is working. So after first month, second month, realize this is not working. You talk about it with your partner, behaviors and characters. They are not changing. They are doing the same thing. You should be able to draw the relationship to an end. Number 4, people don't know who to date. There's no market or shop for the right person or ideal spouse. No, like that place will be flooded. There's nothing like that. So getting to know who the right person is very difficult. Olden days, when we talk about salt and sugar, you can look at their size, their nature, and be able to know that, oh, salt have this particular size. But now, salt and sugar look pretty quite the same. So it's difficult. The best thing to do to taste. So it starts with you. To be able to know the person is the right person, first know what you are looking for. If you know the taste of salt, when you have a taste of it, you know. If you know the taste of sugar, when you have a taste of it, you know. Know the kind of person you are looking for. So if you are looking for a God-fearing person, somebody who have a relationship with God, you should have a good relationship with God. So when you meet a person, you can be able to know that we have some things in common. If you're looking for somebody who is working, you should be working. Whatever you are looking for, it starts with you. You're looking for a friend, you have to be friendly. Start with you. The police, they need to be trained to understand how thieves work, to be able to catch a thief. How thieves work, catching them become easier for them. The same way, if you are planning to get married, you are planning to be with a good person, whatever it is, start with you. Ask yourself this big question. If I'm asked to marry somebody like me, would I be comfortable marrying the person? Knowing the things I do that nobody sees them. My characters, my behaviors. Nobody knows you better than yourself. You can't trust anybody than you. So if the answer is yes, you are likely to meet somebody like that. If the answer is no, underline the things that need to be worked at it and work at them. Everybody is praying for a good spouse. And if you're going to be a good spouse, you'll be an answer to somebody's prayer. Number 5, people don't know how to end relationship or how to end dating. Dating comes to an end. The person is not having the qualities I'm looking for. We should bring a relationship to an end. Everybody goes separate way and we are not hurt. We are all comfortable. We will understand this particular process. But sometimes the case is different because people have feelings for others. They've done things they're not supposed to do. First, so much. So letting go becomes very difficult. Wherever you are heading towards, if the car that you are riding in or the bus is not taking you to a destination, no matter how far you've traveled, it's just good or pretty good enough that you get down and look for the best way to get to your destination. And we should all do that in terms of relationship. So when you assess your relationship is not getting to marry, you spoke to your partner about it, the changes are not forthcoming, then you should be able to communicate to them that you are done with this relationship. You've taken a decision. Don't go and beg them, asking them to give you permission to leave, giving you approval to leave. That is so wrong. They might keep you waiting for life. Yes. No serious person will go and ask somebody you want to leave that, I want to leave. What do you think? Please let me leave. Accept that things are not working for you. You want to move on. Move on. Stay focused. Leave distraction. Anything that will distract you, be careful about them. Don't go back to the messages and be reading them. Don't be visiting the promises, places that you go. don't go to those places for now. You need to take care of your emotions. Yes, cut conversation with them, no communication. Attention always breeds affection. The more you talk to them, the harder it becomes for you to move on or leave that relationship. Delay the photos and stuff like that. Get a new hobby. Start paying attention to yourself. Take care of yourself. Give yourself a few time. You'll be able to move on. These are the 5 mistakes I believe singles will be making in the name of dating. If you're able to get my new book, Date Wrong, Marry Wrong, it has a lot you can learn from that can shape your relationship, shape your marriage. I urge you to get one and subscribe to this channel. Share the video with your friend. God bless you. God take care of you. God give you discernment to make the right decision. Take care of yourself. Until I come your way again. Bye-bye.